So then when did you meet Elephant Man now? Because you met Kotri, you met Dynamite, you met Killer. The last one now is Elephant Man.
Yeah, yo, I meet elephant is that, yo, this a history star. Cause I was singer named Culture Paul. In Culture Paul, him convert him name to Paul Elliott now. Culture Paul, you have a rhythm when you born Bakali do when name Captain Baki do a song name Managi Bun, Nanagi Back Bun. I don't know what that call it Bun fi Bun. So yes or no, them have that rhythm and mash up the whole place. But Paul Elliott know the producer, and the producer Paul Elliott introduced me to the producer. Said Toddler, him have a bad artist run a jammings, and me and him are gonna do a combination. So that day, we went to Mixing Lab. Remember, say Mixing Lab is a studio. More time I reach up them, I can't go in. You understand? If you don't see Bunny Wheel, I'll give you some money, or I'll give you some fruits, or I'll share something you can't get for reach inside car. Bunny Wheel always have things I give you, you know.
Yeah.
So that day, they know when time me reach up on the studio with Paul, with Culture Paul. When we reach the studio, you know, a straight in a studio, I will come in on the program. So with them, Paul had carried me to the bridge, you know, and say, yo, Harry Cutler, listen, me and him sing a song, you know. Me and him do the combination named Gummy Lou. So Paul Elliott was sing, me and Paul Elliott sing the song, Gummy Lou, hold up your head and shout it out loud. Anything I go on, you will move with the crowd. You understand? I'm come in, come chant, and me I say, Gummy Lou, and to me I sing, my swag and my singing, it captivates anyone. And when we sing the song now, the producer like it. But them time, you know, me not know some of the youth in the studio don't know them. So same time now, the producer, the Culture Paul some money, and Culture Paul come give me as a toddler, he want to do a next song, you know. He want to do a older song. And I say, yeah. He might put it on the rhythm, bun for bun rhythm. He say, yeah. Remember, say, this is a song on my ear on the radio, you know. So me feel excited now, so me I go up on the rhythm there. So same time now, a youth, Elephant, so me know Elephant now. Elephant and somebody I sing a song. Me don't know for the youth name. Craig name, man. You know, him and a youth sing a combination. We don't know if a Crack Skull or Craig. But him sing a song named one butterfly song. One butterfly thing like, oh, Gypsy Kingdom and Tony Curtis a butterfly. Him have a butterfly dance song I sing. So when him sing now, come that the producer like him too. And said, he request a song from him too also. That the producer say, yo, that this young boy, the bad, he want a song from him. So same time now, me outside, you know, sir, it's like how me to the say, me went to Dynamite and said, Dynamite, yo, big friend Ray. Elephant came to me and said, yo, you know, see, and me and you, the producer, requesting, you know, Channel Star, yo, you're bad, you know, and me I said, Mike, you're bad too. So two start compliment each other. And me I said, Tommy's my power, you know. And me I said, you must say, I see if him live. And me I said, see if you live, say, you must know about your Dynamite. And so me tell him about, and he must say, yeah, man, I know them, man. Dynamite come from over phase 2 and me come from phase 1 over Bounty scheme. So if you start telling about the scheme, them know him, I say, him and Bounty come from the same scheme. Him live at Vietnam and Bounty live at one place named Shotgun. So me and him start talk. So me invite him at Jammins and them thing there and reason about Jammins. So like days after, me see him come link up at Jammins. And him come link up at Jammins. But when him come link up at Jammins, him come link up with we. Because Dynamite them know him. Elliot Coach them know him. Them 200 no know him, but them know a few. I know so that him come from over Vietnam and one of them places. So me and Elephant start trample the studio now. I remember, you know, Killer is like Killer and Dynamite and Coachy. Them form a strong team together. Because I remember Dynamite have a green card and Dynamite goes back and forth. So when Dynamite come down and do you have some sweatband, put all a watch, give you something to put around my head. So guess what now? So a little image that will look like we're right there too. So them thing that Dynamite just come do for us. Him and Coachy, Killer and Coachy and Dynamite, them start travel together.
Okay.
So remember I said Killer them on a little a farm, you know, so him travel. So him carry Dynamite and him carry Coachy. So it don't go force me an Elephant to be more brethren now. You understand? So Determined came up. Determined was around also them time there.
Yeah.
Determined a youth named Ninja One from St. Mary and some people. So guess you know, it just forced us to just be brethren more. And so through me didn't know, and you have a thing named Baby and Power Man, and most of the artists them are boss. Them know me. So when time them come up on the ground, we just introduce them to Ellie. So them get to know Ellie, and Ellie have a little energy and have a list tongue, but them take on to kind full of humor and love run joke and everything there. So when Penny Harry them and anyone they start them who break from jammings would come back around the produce of work with always they carry harmony. And that's how me and Killer and Dan might start out, we carry harmony. Junior Cat them, when Junior Cat run the place, So when Junior Cat must run the place, and we carry harmony. The first $1,000 a Junior Cat never earn it. The first time to get $1,000 in a music.
Hold on.
Junior Cat.
You can hear me?
A song like that. You want go dead. Yeah, this is the general for you. Overlay, dopey. You see that harmony there, and me, Bounty Hunter, and Boom Dynamite used to carry them. You understand? It come like even Penny Harry. When Penny Harry said, "Girl, would you know you want to want take it out? Unless you can't get it. When me bag good, girl, say you better than you made. Good. You see them more there? I can carry them because when we carry them, we get all the change. I can buy me lunch. I can buy me little draw wheel and Cuba. You understand? Anyone stars them, even Power Man, Grindsman, any one of them. So that's how we used to build. That's what I said, Junior Cat. When we get my first $1,000. So them time when you're Area Far now, anyone stars that come there, we carry arm and the same way. Although me find some song, I find a song there. Yeah, you own your man from where? You want to kill him? Tell her, say you stay far. You not tell her girl, so she be good and walk wide. I mean, I'm about to kill her right now together. You understand? So, we sing that song like a stone love. So more time I get my own work. We get my little work. I'm have a song for the answer rhythm. We bring them on the bus fan. Bad man, wicked man. Me have a song for it to me. I said, what's up, the gun come in a half feet behind. Oh, SMG, the camel back on the 9. When we wire the Magnum and the KG9. Need back 11 and hold up same time. You understand? Some more time I eat some little food. If I have $100, 152 days forever. I eat little food them at the studio sometimes yes. You understand? They don't know say me I eat little food at the studio. Cause I have a song on the answer rhythm produced by the man who owned Aquarius them time, the Duke, Earl from Aquarius and Red Rose. A Red Rose wake me up when I sleep at penthouse and I sing a song here. Bust up me gun come in and have it fi hide. Old SMG we can make back on the 9. When we wire the Magnum and the KG9. Big Mac 11 and open up same time. Making farmer run left borderline. Gun where we have sit at the latest design. That song there, it give me a name in Bermuda. You understand? Salute to Soldier One, Magic and the whole family. Thank you, boy. So, me don't eat like a food. Sometimes some 150, 200, 1, whatever. So, elephant was always around me. Because me they have like a different rhythm there, love at the studio. So when Determined came, Determined was there also. So whenever me move, me always have them around me. You understand? Because Toddler is the streets. Remember, when Jaguar keep, you have a place named Jaguar. A Sunday night, when we say elephant, we have a Jaguar. Cause you have to go Jaguar. Jaguar with people, you can see some stars. You can see Daddy Lizard them, Flower Gun them, all the stars them, you can see them. And them time them man they carve the world. So when time used to come and came go a Jaguar and all the vibes and him say, John up there, and me I say you see it. When you see some people, when you see a studio alone, I saw them flex a road. And him see a different flex, you understand? So anyone may go now, them start go. Dealing with them Bramley cars, they were thinking them Killer busting up. So Killer was always off the island. So it forced us to even stay together more. So when time Killer forward, anyway, it comes to be a jail together. Even if coaching and one down the might not go, if we the jammings we jail together, if somebody come and want a dub plate from me, we just do it with me and my friend them. If you understand? So it forced me for just even stay as a crew, stay as a team. And Mr. say get stronger cause when time Cabra, you ever think that Mad Cabra come in the studio? Mad Cabra come in the studio. Him just take on to Elephant, take on to Determine, take on to we, you understand? So same like Terry Fabulous. Terry Fabulous come in the studio and take on to we. The stars them, that's why I'm not find no youth to me say arise today. Because when I was coming up, when me I come up in the music, nobody never fight me down. Nobody never shoot me down. Me get love from everywhere on the ground king. So it's like they would have take all Determine and Elias say, come here, and carry about Bobby Digital and carry them to Bobby Love Vice. Like Fabulous say, come tell them I carry about Black Scorpio, carry me going a stone over work around there, I'm a Vice. You understand? So, oh, the unit what they have together, people used to see it and love it. So that's why me and Elia Virginia star, regardless of what people want to say and what people want to think, I think we came a long way because this is 1992. I mean, no, LA, 1992. I mix it up. 1992. Yeah.
This podcast is brought to you by www.twolinedmusichut.com.